arrive in, arrive at, and arrive on, showing you the easy ways to remember the use of these phrases. We use them for place and time. Place. Use arrive in if the place is big, like city, town, or country. They will arrive in Norway at 5 o'clock. My sister arrived in Paris later that day. Paris is a city and Norway is a country. Both of them are big places. Use arrive at when you will see a building or a part of it. The place is small. I arrived at the mall, but the stores were closed. Mall, station, airport, they are small places. For time, use arrive on if it refers to a day. My cousin will arrive on Monday. Use arrive in if it refers to a month, year, or a season. He arrived in July. The birds will arrive in early spring. But no use of in, at, or on if you are talking about home. I arrived home last night.